Oh, the best thing since sliced bread.
Fantastic results. The minute I posted that first video, immediately I got traffic, and from traffic I got sales. So it was a no-brainer.
Alan King,
Anna Cuevas,
Blake Goodwin,
Ryan Williams,
Bruce Wallstrom,
Carolyn Matthews,
Chet Bruce,
Kurt Worrell, Daniel Arguello,
Darren Harden,
Diana Helm,
Dr. William Fishkin,
Elle Swan,
Derek James Mowry,
Mike Lemoyne,
Gary Weiss,
that's Hu Kang, Jesse Condola,
John Susko, and Jonathan Ipiotis.
It's a fabulous product. I really love it, and I love the way it helps our clients in the local area as well.
It's a lot simpler than you possibly could imagine. It is really step by step.
easy enough that even a 12-year-old could use it.
It's opened doors.
Josh Andrus, I live down here in San Diego.
Judy Welch,
Keith Price,
Lucky Ray Fitzgerald,
Lynn Pierce,
Mark Sika,
Michelle Kemp,
Rob Harker,
Robert Hartwick, I'm from Ohio.
Ronald Fountain,
Sue Frank,
Sue Rogers,
Valerie Van Leuven,
Wes Schaefer from Murrieta, California.
Actually, I'm a school teacher, so in terms of business, I'm a newbie.
I was an art teacher right out of college, and I put all that to side to go, well, I want to find a residual income. I want to find something. For the last 10 years, I've been in the insurance business. I've been an insurance guy, and probably for about the last 3, I've just been dying, real rough. And then at the end of this last year, I was kicked out.
I was driving truck for a major grocery chain in the Portland area, and they're based in Boise. And I was told when I got the job that I would be out of a job, laid off in about 2 years from the time I was hired. The reason for that is because they were opening a warehouse in Boise. So it's the first job I ever got upsized out of. Well, I knew this going in, so I started thinking about what am I going to do after I get laid off? I don't want to go long haul again. And with the economy going the way it did, I wasn't sure.
I was selling enterprise software into the automotive industry. My customers were GM, Chrysler, Visteon, big customers like that, TRW, names that are household names, giant companies who are falling on extremely hard times.
I've done the advertisement. I did Yellow Pages last year. I got burned. I got 2 phone calls. I'm like, what? 2 phone calls and signs and paint the signs on your trucks. You don't get called, and you spend all this money, you're wasting, like, geez.
Desperation. With my programming business, every time I finish a project, I'm unemployed again until I get the next project. And I've been studying marketing and stuff, and really struggled with trying to get it implemented into my own business.
It was just a mess. So after, literally 6 months of banging my head, meeting with local video experts, I ran across traffic guys and just said, oh my goodness, thank you very much.